Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn our question number 5 in our activity sheet. Question number 5, A1 or A2. It is letter writing. Okay, A1 is formal letter, A2 is informal letter. You have to try any one and that contains 5 marks. Some notes you have to keep in mind while writing the letter. Any means informal or formal letter. Means in the activity sheet, common guidelines will be given for both the letters. Some guidelines are given there. Common guidelines are given to means for both the letter, means formal and informal. Means these guidelines are, for example, in the form of ad, in the form of waves, or in the form of web or leaflets or news report or headline or other pictorial information, means picture information. You will have to means study the topic or issue on which you have to write any one letter. Means you have to study first whatever information is given there. Okay, and then you have to write any one letter, formal or informal. You have to write this letter carefully, and the block format must be used while writing the letter. In this format, all the components of the letter are aligned in the left margin of the page. Means whatever the components are there, whatever the factors, that means components should be must be right in the left margin of the page. Don't use the right margin of the page. Means whatever address, sender's address, receiver's address, or salutation or conclusion, all should be how to means right in the left margin of the page. The body of the letter is single space, but paragraphs are separated by double line space. Means whatever body of letter you have to remove their single line. For example, sender's address, after that you have to remove one line. After receiver's address, remove one line. Okay, like this way means letter single space you have to remove there, single line space. But when you are going to separate the paragraph, that time you have to remove their double line. Okay, and means that means why you are remove the line, because you want to tell that means that paragraphs are means that lines indicate to separate the paragraph, and you are begin to their new paragraph. Okay, and write the names given in the activity sheet. Means whatever names are mentioned there, that name only you have to write. Don't write ABC or XYZ. Okay, like this way. Now how to attempt this formal, business or official letter. First we are going to see formal or business or official letter. This means question involves writing letter to officials, editors of newspapers, heads of commercial or educational establishment. Means it is maybe it is related to application letter or educational letter, or write the letter to the editor of the newspaper or any commercial, means official. Okay, means then two address are required for this type of letter. Means two addresses. Sender's address means one is your own, means sender, and other is the address of the person you are writing to, means receiver's address. Okay, the subject of the letter, that is the main topic of the letter, must be written in brief. Subject of the letter. Okay, means because it is a formal letter, and that's why you have to write. You must be write there subject of the letter. Okay, it is the main topic of this letter. If you have refer to something, for example an advertisement in a newspaper, this must be written below the subject as reference. Okay, the salutation has to be very formal. The salutation is very formal. For example, sir, madam, dear sir, madam, dear sir, dear madam, or respected sir, respected madam, etc. Okay, means you have to means write there respected sir or mostly respected sir or respected madam. Then language and tone used for such letter must be very formal. Means whatever your language or tone of the language, it should be formal. It must be formal, to the point, and it should be respectful. The main body of the letter should consist of 2 or 3 paragraphs given details or asking for information. Means main body of the letter. That letter's body have to consist into 2 or 3 paragraphs. Means divide into 2 or 3 paragraphs. Means detail information with detail information. End of the with respectful subscription means subscription of the letter means ending conclude yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours truly, etc. Okay. Then write their waves, news items, ads, part of letter or some other kind of information will be given for guidance. Means there are given waves given, means maybe they will give their waves, news item or any ad or any part of letter. Means you have to for this information will given for the guidance. You have to read them carefully and use them to write the letter. This information, with the base of this information, you have to develop your letter. And also you may add 1 or 2 points of your own. Okay, like this way you have to try, means you have to follow these means rules for to write the official or business letter. See, here is given means general format and marking scheme for formal letter. In sender's address, then pin code is there must, then date. Okay, like this way means it can contain half mark. Then name, designation and address of the recipient means receiver's address means their name, for example the principal, their designation, okay, and the address Holy Angels English Medium School, like this way means it is the recipient address, half mark. Then subject, a praise about the general content, okay, means subject of the letter, and reference referring to a letter previously received advertisement means if there is given the advertisements reference you must want to give there, okay, for that half mark. Then salutation, dear sir, madam or simply sir, madam, okay, and the body of the letter 3 or 4 paragraph, okay, means for that 2 marks. And subscriptions means close the letter, yours faithfully, yours truly, etc. And after that your name, like this way. For that there is 1 mark. And correct use of grammar, okay, correct use of grammar, for that 1 mark, like this way there is a marking scheme, 5 marks, okay. Study whatever you have to see the means other types of formal letter, observe this and try this letter, okay, like this way you have to try the formal letter. Means in the here given the see formal letter, you have to try this formal letter in your notebook for the revision purpose, okay. Means formal and informal. Tomorrow we will see informal later, okay. Thank you.